starving.
Real friends come before everything. Except maybe for Circe hot guys.
Totally. If only Daddy would let me meet a hot guy. Oh, know where we can get some grub?
Come on, let's get out of here. I want to go drown myself in junk food.
Oh, don't talk about food. Excuse me, I gotta go curl up and die.
Love it. Love it. Love you. My shirt! It's ruined! But I love the color.
We need to get that word from Witchy!
Yeah, but how?
Hey, Gretch, how about a saucy snack?
Yeah, give me that!
Bugs aren't neat, are they?
That's so unfair. Just because you want to go home doesn't mean everybody does. Right, everybody?
This has been so great being the only two people on Earth. I'm hungry. Feed me and tell me I'm pretty! I have an idea. Wow, that is so the wrong movie.
Oh, watching all these hungry people is making me hungry.
Oh, Wanda gets really grumpy when she doesn't eat.
Lamp, TV, and... What have you done to me? Turned you into a winner. Yeah. Ooh, that was the sound of you digesting about 17 pounds of ground chuck. You scared a Yeti. You have turned the temple that is my body into a toxic dump. I demand we switch back. Fine with me. You have a stomachache.
Everything is going wrong, Chelsea.
I say forget the man and get something you can rely on, like a taco or a chocolate milkshake. Oh no, bad combo.
Luckily, no lions probably jungle tonight.
Food!
I think we outran them.
A perfect bowl of porridge. Excuse me. Now, where can I leave this invitation? Oh, I think I ate a little too much.
You there! Freeze! Police!
It's the second time this week police have fled in the face of danger.
Take care of these two.
Abby! Abby, are you okay?
Equals a breakdancing colon.
Come on, man, just calm down. Whoa, I'm hungry.
Oh yeah, me too.